Hi, my name is Brett Kelley. I'm the Curator of Collections here at the National Civil War Museum. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of the footwear that soldiers used during the Civil War. The most popular type of shoes that they wore were called Brogans. Okay, they were leather shoes, and that's what they used as they were marching over all those miles on the battlefield, through mud, through dust, dirt, the whole thing. These had to be built as tough as possible. Unfortunately, a lot of the suppliers that the Army used back then didn't always use the best materials, and sometimes they would fall apart after just a few miles of marching. Now, here we have a pair that's in our collection, and it's a nice sturdy pair, a good representation of the type of shoe. You can see it's made out of leather entirely. You have the stitching all around, and on the bottom you can see that the soles were put on by pegs. Little wooden pegs were placed throughout to keep the sole into place and to keep it there firmly. You can see that there were several layers of leather because with all the marching, they tended to wear through them really quickly. You can see right here, there's a hole starting right there. So they needed to have their shoes replaced fairly frequently. So the Army was always looking for new shoe supplies for their soldiers in order to get them where they needed to be. But this is a nice representative pair of what those soldiers used during the Civil War. And that's how they got to where they needed to be. And so this has been a nice little chat about these the shoes that they wore. If you like this video, please subscribe to the National Civil War Museum's YouTube page. Thanks very much. Bye.